Hi, I'm Michelle, sales representative at 277 Fifth Avenue. Welcome to the tallest residential condominium on all of Fifth Avenue. Designed by starchitect Raphael Vignole, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath has amazing views and finishes to match. I can't wait to show you around. When you first enter the apartment, you walk right into this beautiful open entertaining space. It features a living and dining space with an open kitchen. While each space has its own identity, it's been designed to work together and create the most amazing place to entertain. Your friends can enter, gather on the sectional, and enjoy a cocktail. And high ceilings and high design light fixtures add a sexy NoMad vibe. And when your friends are finished with that cocktail, or 2 or 3, you can lead them to the dining room. Perched on the 37th floor, this corner residence with floor-to-ceiling windows takes full advantage of the visual excitement of New York. Binoculars not included. Just imagine all your friends sitting at this gracious dining table taking in the glittering cityscape. And let me show you where you're going to prepare your gourmet feast. This custom kitchen is designed by Jeffrey Beers International and has everything you need to prepare that swank dinner party or take credit for delivery from your local NoMad favorite. This center island features Calcutta Sakeli marble with waterfall edges and seating for 4. The marble extends to the backsplash and features signature niche details. The custom cabinetry is both sleek and functional. And if impressing your friends isn't enough to inspire you to cook, how about this view? There are 2 bedrooms in this apartment, and this is the master suite. Pin drop quiet, it offers downtown views and an intimate space for relaxation. It has a generous walk-in closet and an ensuite master bath to die for. The 5-fixture bath is well appointed with San Nicola marble, a rain shower, and a bathtub with a view. And what better place to decompress after a long day in the big city? Thank you for touring 277 Fifth Avenue with me. We're at the center of everything and above it all.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?